guess what? The secret to long, fast-growing hair might already be in your kitchen. Not in a fancy bottle, not at the salon, just 5 simple foods. Sounds too easy, right? But wait, here comes the exciting part. Scientists have found that these 5 foods actually wake up your hair roots and make them grow like crazy. So what are they? Eggs, avocado, spinach, berries, and salmon. You know them, but I bet you're eating them the wrong way. Most people just eat these foods and wonder, why is my hair still so short? That's because it's not just about what you eat. It's about how and when. Let me give you an example. Eggs are full of protein and biotin, 2 things your hair begs for. But if you eat eggs alone, your body only uses half of it. Eat eggs with avocado? Boom! Your body now uses almost everything. That's 100% more growth power from the same meal. Then take spinach. It has iron, which carries oxygen to your hair roots. Without oxygen, your hair sleeps. But iron needs help from vitamin C to work. That's why you need berries right after spinach. Together, they explode into growth fuel. Now, salmon. This one is tricky. Salmon has omega-3 fats that stop scalp itching and flaking. But most people cook salmon too long. High heat kills the good stuff. The right way? Lightly cooked or even raw like sushi. Keep those natural oils alive. So here was the big question. Have you been eating these 5 foods all wrong for years? Because once you learn the simple order, morning eggs with avocado, lunch spinach and berries, dinner soft salmon, your hair will finally grow fast. Real people who tried this 5-food plan for just 1 month grew almost 2 inches. No pills, no weird creams, just real food. Are you ready to start tonight? Then don't leave yet. Your fastest hair growth begins with your very next meal. And if you want a free weekly meal plan sent to your phone, hit that subscribe button right now. Join thousands who are growing longer, stronger hair the easy way. Your future long hair is waiting. Feed it the right 5 foods.